Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we'll be installing a cool little toy on the RZR. We'll be installing a blow-off valve, and I'll do a quick install video. It's a pretty simple install, it should only take maybe 5 or 10 minutes. Then we'll do a quick drive so you guys can hear the blow-off valve after it's installed. That being said, let's get it started. All right, here's the parts that are going on. We got the blow-off valve here, a filter for the blow-off valve, and then a plug for the return line. The filter for the blow-off valve is not necessary. RPM's done all their testing without a filter. They just include it for those of us that want to run it. I will run it. I go on a lot of dusty trails up here in Utah, so we'll go ahead and run it. You can visit RPM Power Sports at rpmsxs.com. and check out all their other stuff they sell for RZRs. They got some good stuff on there. Let's get this install started. All right, first thing we do is remove the engine cover so that you can get access to the air intake and where the turbo is. I'll zoom you in here. You can see right down here, right there is the factory blow-off valve. So that return line down there is what gets the plug. And then on the bottom of the blow-off valve is where the filter goes, and then it connects in. Turbo comes in here, blow-off valve. There are some clamps on there that you got to cut off with some dikes or any type of cutter on both sides. So we'll get that all taken out, removed, and get the other one in there, and we'll show you what that looks like. All right, we got the blow-off valve installed. You can see it right down here. Got the filter on there. Got it installed, got the vacuum line on there. The one thing they suggested to do in the instructions was to use their vacuum line. I was going to use the factory one, but come to find out it wasn't long enough. So you just remove it off the T right there, use the supplied air line that they gave you, run it back through, connect it up, good to go. So there it is, all connected. And then for the return tube, so that's right here. So this runs from the factory blow-off valve. It'll run and return the air back into the air intake. With this aftermarket blow-off valve, you put this cap in there and zip and clamp it down so that you don't get any dirt back in the intake. And then my plan is to just zip tie it to this line next to it to keep it up out of the way, get things tidy. I suppose you could probably remove it right there and put the cap there. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to run it like this. Maybe down the road I'll do that. All right, guys, we made it out to camp, and I wanted to do a quick little drive around to show you the blow-off valve so that you can hear it. Sounds amazing. It's loud. You definitely can't miss it. So here we go. Have it, blow-off valve video install, little test ride so you guys could hear it. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe. I appreciate the support. We'll see you guys again soon.